Hello everyone, my name is Joel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can remove your own bumper on your 2009 to 2013 Mazda 3 BL. Now you can see this is a MPS or a Mazda Speed. It does have aftermarket sensors, so it is going to be a little bit different, and it does have the dual exhaust. So it is a little bit different than every other car, but they all follow a very similar procedure. So there's four main components. There's upper, either side, and lower. So we're going to start with our upper first. Alright, to start off, we're going to have some hardware behind here, behind the light we need to take out. So we're going to go in here. We have 1, 2, 3 we need to take out. We also need to remove our electrical connectors. Once we take that out, we can take the light out. So once all the hardware's done, you just want to jiggle this forward and back a bit, just to release anything built up. Now, I find the easiest way, grab from below and above, just slightly pull forward. So it's caught on this tab here, this locating clip. Unfortunately, not really any easy way, it is kind of ledged in there. So yeah, that's off. And now you can see, once my light is off, we have a screw here and a clip here. So now repeat on this side, wiggle it out so it gets off the seal, and just push it forward. Now with your lights out, that's the top done for now. We will have to take these one out later, but it is better to leave them to last. Now it's probably very hard to see, but inside here, before we take out this 8mm, we have a clip on the inside here. Just about here. So we're going to have to take that out first before we can get to the 8mm that's in here. So you want to grab from here and try and push down here, so this tries comes out flat. See all the dirt and build up, it's just holding it in. So now we're under the car. This is the rear wheel. Gonna have an 8mm here. Okay, take that out. Now in the center here, we have two 10mm, one here, one over there. One and two. And we're going to want to take the other 8mm out on the other side, and then we're going to have to take the 8mm out on the top on the bar slide. I'll do them and I'll come back to you. Alright, so now that we have both sides done, all our clips and bolts are safe, the last thing we have is these caps. We need to remove the caps. Once we remove the caps, we'll get access to some more screws. So you just want to carefully try and pry it. Obviously you don't want to damage caps at all, especially if you're not going to repaint them. Oh, doesn't matter, fall from there, won't get damaged. Now you just want to take out these screws. And that's it, our bar is ready to come off. Okay, for the actual removal, just want to grab it somewhere safe. You can just wiggle it off. So for me, I have some sensors I need to disconnect, and then we're done. So there is a number plate light in there, you have some wiring you're going to. Like for me, I have some sensors, but apart from that, you're finished. The bar can now officially come off, send away to paint wherever you're putting it, and you're done. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Off both sides, I've taken it from the middle. They do have these alignment tabs here, you just want to be careful of. I've also disconnected the sensors. They are non-genuine, so it's not really a part of this bundle, but they're disconnected now as well. So what you have on your standard is your number plate light wiring. Go straight to number plate, and that's about it. So you want to put some cardboard down, that way when you do take the bar fully off, you're not going to damage anything on the bottom, especially if you're not repainting. So as you can see here, this is our wiring for our number plate lights. You just disconnect it here, and then you take the bar off. And that's it, our bar is officially off. Now we could get it ready for paint, this, that, go from where we want, and we're done. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.